Today, 4th January 2013, uh, the tribal people of West Bengal organized basically the social organization that is called Bharat Jagat Majhi Pargana Mahal. Social organization organized a road blockage program. The road blockage program is held in different parts of tribal adopted area, mainly where they are belong to, and the demand mainly focused on uh, the education, that is the fundamental right, Indian Constitution Article 21A, and the education must be uh, uh, with their mother tongue, the Santhali, in their education. So the main focus on this road strike is education with their mother tongue. So today, different roads and rail maybe maybe block. So it is this very sensitive issue to the tribal people that they are not getting the fundamental rights related to education, and the education is main focused today's strike. So Bengal tribal people, especially Santhal, organized a mass deportation uh, in their surrounding areas to DM and BDO officers and different administration bodies. So the people who are trying to journey the one place to another, I especially request them to at first uh, know the history of transport condition, then uh, go to your destination. Okay, so I cover the stories, some of them, the road blockage and different programs. So uh, uh, stay with my channel, Tribe Santhal Soren blog.